Hey curly teas, today let's make a powerhouse sealer used to lock in moisture for the hair and skin. Yes, this black seed oil water-free sealer can be used on both the hair and the skin. If you love heavy-duty moisture sealers, this is the formula to make. First up, we have the natural petrolatum alternative called biolatum. Now, biolatum, you decide how you want to pronounce it, okay? It's made from castor oil and carnauba wax. When I tell you this is a heavy lifter ingredient, I mean it.
Brittle hair, in turn, is liable to break off in larger quantities than you care to lose.
It's the base of the sealer and will help to lock in the moisture you've applied to your hair and your skin. Now listen, if you're used to a lot of slippery slip that often comes with water-based lotions and stuff that you have to keep applying because they ain't giving what they supposed to have gave, you may be a little disappointed. It's not a slip queen, honey. It's a powerhouse sealer. Mafura butter is nourishing and smoothing. It also adds a nice sheen to the hair. Like if you don't have this, you can use probably mango butter or shea butter or any other hair or skin loving butter that you prefer. What's your favorite butter? Leave a comment below. I'm using an herb-infused combination of oils in this sealer. This one is olive oil and Malaysian palm oil infused with nettle and burdock root. Nettle has anti-inflammatory properties and is said to help soften and smoothen the hair. Acetyl esters is used to add a softening effect and to help with moisture retention. It's also used to help with the texture of the final product. This is not quite the same as cetyl alcohol. Cetyl esters gives a creamy, softer, more emollient feel in my opinion. They're both great, but cetyl esters is said to take up to 2 days to show its full potential. I witnessed that with this mix. Olive wax is an oil thickener made from olive oil. It will help to add some opacity to this non-petrolatum grease. Become a member at CURLYTEA to get access to all of the niche handmade DIY recipes and formulas, including the full ingredients list, full instructions, my notes, and other related information. On the first day, this is how your sealer will look. It looks almost translucent, right? You can actually begin using it right now if you want to. The viscosity will take about 1 to 2 days to get to its final stage. After about 2 days, you'll have this powerhouse sealer. Now, this is not for the girlies who like quick absorbing products that disappear instantly. You are going to feel this bad boy protecting your hair and skin. Like, it's not going to turn you into a walking grease factory, but it will leave a substantive feel on the skin and will help that moisture stay put in your hair for an extended period of time. Now for the hair, use this like your mama used blue magic grease, okay? Except don't be scared of water. Moisture is what this sealer will help keep in your hair. For the skin, using this right out of the shower is great. I also rub this on my hands and my feet at any time they're feeling, a little too dry. Now this may be too heavy for the face, but if you're brave enough and your skin is dry enough, honey, you can try it out too. Just don't say I made you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of this community. If you are a member and you have signed up, I appreciate that. You are the backbone of this channel. You are the backbone of this website. So continue to participate. Or if you are thinking about becoming a member, go ahead, girl, and sign up. Come on in. If you are watching this at YouTube, check out the next formula, or you can just continue to watch, take a break, and relax for a while.